Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. In previous lecture, we have studied about the Golgi body. In today's video, we'll discuss about the lysosomes. That is the another cell organelle of the cell that is found in the both in plant cell as well as in the animal cell. The word lysosomes is formed by the two words. Lyso means digestive and soma. Soma means body. It means lysosomes are digestive body. What is called the lysosomes? Because it mostly even it's found in the both cells, plant and animals, but mainly it found in the animal cells, and it is directly related with the digestion. So it is called the digestive body because there are the most of enzymes present in the lysosomes. If we talk about the discovery, it was discovered by C.D. Dewey in 1955, and for the discovery of lysosomes he got Nobel Prize in 1974. Now, if we talk about where these lysosomes are found, mainly the lysosomes are present in the animal cells, especially the pancreatic cells, leukocytes, liver cells, kidney cells. But the presence of lysosomes are seen in the plants, especially in the fungi Neurospora. It was discovered in plants by the P. Matile in 1964. If we talk about the shape and size of the lysosomes, these are the round shape, roughly spherical, and the size is 0.25 to 0.50 micrometer. Its radius is the 0.25 to 0.50 micrometer. So here is the question: who discovered the lysosomes in the fungi? It was the P. Matile. Now, these lysosomes are absent in human RBC because in red blood cells the most of space covers by the hemoglobins, and these are absent in the prokaryotic cells. If we talk about the activity, these lysosomes are more active at the 5 pH. It means on the acidic pH, these lysosomes are more active. And these are the unit membrane bound organelles. It means लाइसोसोम्स एक सिंगल परत की मेम्ब्रेन होती है जिसके अंदर डिफरेंट लैक्टिक एंजाइम्स होते हैं, लाइक द प्रोटीएजेस, राइबोन्यूक्लियेजेस, nucleosidases, phosphatases, sulfatases, etc. Lysosomes have a vacuole. In this vacuole, these enzymes are present, and these enzymes are responsible for the digestion of the different molecules, like the acid phosphatases, it act on the phosphate. Ribonucleases, it acts on the RNA. Deoxyribonucleases, it acts on the DNA. Cathepsin, it acts on the protein. Sulfatases, it acts on the sulfate ions. The most important thing about the lysosomes, that the lysosomes shows the polymorphism. So it is called the polymorphic cell organelles. Why? Because these are found in the two forms, the primary lysosomes and the secondary lysosomes. If we talk about the primary lysosomes, these are found by the endoplasmic reticulum or the vessels of the endoplasmic reticulum. But when these lysosomes or primary lysosomes intake the food particles or absorb the food particles through the endocytosis, such type of lysosomes are called the secondary lysosomes. Here we can see, suppose here, suppose this is a lysosome, and here is the food particle. And here is the vacuole, and in this vacuole the different lactic enzymes are present, and this lysosome is called the primary lysosomes. Now what will happen when these lysosomes engulf the food particles? This is the food particles, this is the lysosome, and such structure is called the secondary lysosome. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Here we can see that this is the food particles, this is the primary lysosomes. When food particles engulfed by the primary lysosome, by the endocytosis, it is called the secondary lysosomes. And they are the different enzymes that act on the food particles and break the food particles into the simpler molecules. And after the digestion, when the lysosomes is found, is called the residual body. It means when the lysosomes are with the undigested food particles, it is called the residual body. Okay, we can see here one thing. These lysosomes are also called the suicide bag. Why the suicide bag? Because जब सेल में किसी भी सेल की डेथ हो जाती है, बॉडी में किसी भी सेल की डेथ हो जाती है, तो ये अपने उस एंजाइम से उस सेल को डिसॉल्व कर लेते हैं, डाइजेस्ट कर लेते हैं, और इस प्रक्रिया को ही हम कहते हैं कि lysosomes are the suicidal bag. Because they are the different kinds of enzymes that present in the vacuoles of the lysosome, it dissolves the all materials. Even if the enzymes that present in the vacuoles of the lysosomes, if it will discharge into the cytoplasm, it can dissolve the different organelles like the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, plastids. So जब कभी बॉडी में जो ऑर्गेनेल्स जब उनकी लाइफ साइकिल खत्म हो जाती है या वो डेड कर जाते हैं तो उनको ये लाइसोसोम्स डिसॉल्व करके उनको ख़त्म कर देता है। तो इस वजह से हम लाइसोसोम्स को क्या कहते हैं? सुसाइडल बैग। नाउ if we talk about the function of the lysosomes, so the first function of the lysosomes is the digestion of the external particles by the two mode, pinocytosis and phagocytosis. What is pinocytosis? Pinocytosis means when the food particles are in the liquid form. So such type of engulfing process is called the pinocytosis. But when the food particles are in solid form, when these are intact by the or digested by the lysosomes, such type of cytosis is called the phagocytosis. The second function is the intracellular digestion. Intracellular, in हिंदी it is called the अंतःकोशिकीय पाचन, मतलब सेल के अंदर जितने भी सेल ऑर्गेनेल हैं उनका डाइजेशन. It means when the lysosomes not get the food, at that time they digest the protein, fat and carbohydrate that have collected in the lysosomes. It means जब हम खाना नहीं खाते और वो फूड पार्टिकल्स हमारे बॉडी में नहीं आते तो उस केस में ये लाइसोसोम्स होता है जो सेल में स्टोर किए गए फूड को डाइजेस्ट करता है। और कभी कभी ये माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, इनको भी खाकर इनके जो वेस्ट मटेरियल्स हैं उनको भी वो डिकम्पोज कर देता है। सो इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द स्कैवेंजर बिकॉज द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड endoplasmic reticulum were in the dead form. It means it degrade the dead body of the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and the other cell organelle. Is it clear? Okay. The next function is the extracellular digestion. Extracellular means cell के बाहर digestion. How? Actually, we can see here. Suppose this is the structure of a sperm. This is the head region and this is the flagella. And on the tip it is the acrosome. And this have the few lactic enzyme. Lactic मतलब dissolving enzyme जो digest करता है. When these sperms fuses with the egg, तो इस एग के ऊपर एक मेम्ब्रेन होती है. इट इज कॉल्ड द जोना पेल्यूसिडा. इट इज कॉल्ड द जोना पेल्यूसिडा. And when the sperm fuses with the egg with its head region, it releases the lactic enzyme that dissolves the zona pellucida, and here is the nucleus. Then it send their nucleus into the egg cell. It means the condition like something that. And this is the zona pellucida. zona pellucida की लेयर टूट चुकी है. Is it clear? So such type of the digestion is called the extracellular. Why extracellular? Because it takes place outside of the cell. Okay. The next function is the autolysis. Autolysis means ये डिजीज के कंडीशन में या जबकि कभी कोई कोशिका मर जाती है तो खुद को नष्ट कर देता है और इसके अंदर जितने भी एंजाइम्स होते हैं वो बाहर निकल आते हैं और वो उस सेल को या उस सेल ऑर्गेनेल को वो डिसॉल्व कर लेता है. तो बिकॉज फॉर द डाइजेशन ऑफ द बॉडी इट ruptures itself. For the lysis of the dead body, such process called the autolysis. The next function is the trigger of cell division. ऐसा माना जाता है, कुछ साइंटिस्ट मानते हैं कि जब सेल डिवीज़न का समय होता है तो जो सेल का जो आउटर सरफेस होता है पेरिफेरल रीजन में कुछ लाइजोसोम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं और ये लाइजोसोम्स जब फट जाते हैं तो उसी समय माइटोसिस डिवीज़न इनिशिएट होता है. ओके, Here if we talk about the origin, I have already told you लाइसोसोम्स की ओरिजिन एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से और फर्दर एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से या गोल्जी बॉडी से फॉर्मेशन होता है। ये जो वेसल्स होती हैं वो अलग हो जाती है टूट टूट के, जिसके अंदर लैक्टिक एंजाइम्स होता है, तो ये क्या बनाते हैं, लाइसोसोम्स। दे फॉर्म्स द लाइसोसोम्स। सो दीज आर आल्सो कॉल्ड द GERL, Golgi associated endoplasmic reticulum. So this process called the lysosome synthesis. Here the main diagram is this is very important, the secondary lysosomes or the digestive vacuoles. I'm again repeating, the food vacuoles that enters from the plasma membrane when it attached with the primary lysosomes that are formed by the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. Then it forms the secondary lysosomes that have the lactic enzymes. It breaks the food particles into the smaller molecules, and after that the undigested food particles with the lysosomes called the residual body. I'm again repeating, the summarize the lysosomes. It was first discovered by the C.D. Dewey in 1955. That's why he got the Nobel Prize in 1974. Then it was discovered in the fungi, especially the Neurospora, and it is believed that the plants have also the lysosomes, but its number is very less. And later on, the P-methyl discovered the lysosomes in the Neurospora fungi. Its act on the acidic pH, having the vacuoles in which the lactic enzymes are present, like the phosphatases, synthetases, sulfatases, ribonucleosidases, deoxyribonucleosidases, and various polysaccharides also. Its function is the digestion of the external particles by the pinocytosis, phagocytosis. Pinocytosis means the liquid phase, and phagocytosis it is in the solid phase. Intracellular digestion, when the food particles are not present in the cell, so it breaks the protein, fat and carbohydrates that already present in the cells. The next is the extracellular digestion. It is the lactic enzyme of the acrosome that dissolve the membrane of zona pellucida. Lastly, autolysis, it kills the or degrade the dead cells by rupturing its cells and dissolve the all cell organelles, all dead cell organelles. And the last function is the helps in the cell division, especially in the mitosis. Thank you, class.